In this video, I'll show you how to add opening balance in Zoho Books. First, search for Zoho and then go to Books under their site. For here, you need to log in to your Zoho account, and once that's done, click on Access Zoho Books. Once inside the dashboard, go to Settings on the top right and then select on Opening Balances. For here, you need to add your migration date and then click on Import Opening Balances on the top right. Now, just go ahead and choose your file, then upload it. Now choose UTF-8 for character encoding and click Next. For the migration date, make sure that the format is correct and click on Next. Now you need to import it, so just click on Import at the bottom. And there you have it, you now have your opening balances in Zoho Books. If you want to add it manually, you can also do that. So I'm just gonna delete it to show you how to add it manually. Now scroll down for the asset, click on it, and in here you can add the information for the required fields as well for the expense and also for the bank, liability, equity, and income. And that's just basically it. That's how you add opening balance in Zoho Books. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more.